Manueleaso. Hey, today's words of the day actually connect a cause phrase with an effect phrase. The words are ina ia and ina ne'i. In English, ina ia translates to in order to or so that. And ina ne'i is just the opposite, as in so that something doesn't happen. This is one of those lessons where I think if you don't know any, or maybe you just know a little Samoan, you benefit from some broken English exercises. I say that because ina ia and ina ne'i, they help you split the cause part of a sentence from the effect part. So instead of having to break down one long line of language, at least you could have identified that the sentence is likely a cause and effect type of statement with the two parts. So, for example, think of some things that you do in order to get some other things as a result. You go to work in order to get some money. So, you go to work, ina ia, you get some money. You wash your hands so that you can stay healthy. You wash your hands, ina ia, you can stay healthy. The day goes away, so the night will come. The day goes away, ina ia, the night will come. You see how ina ia split the cause and the effect into two different phrases in the same sentence? Ina ne'i works the same way, but it negates or makes negative the statement that comes after it. So for example, you brush your teeth so that your mouth won't stink. You brush your teeth, ina ne'i, your mouth stink. Although your mouth stink, that's nasty, it's still a positive statement. It's the ina ne'i that makes it negative. It's kind of like math when you put the negative out in front of the phrase and it turns the whole phrase negative. This works the same way. I left early so that I won't be late. I left early, ina ne'i, be late. Ina ia and ina ne'i can also lead a sentence as well. So, for example, in order to excel, you must study. Ina ia excel, you must study. In order to not fail, you must practice. Ina ne'i fail, you must practice. So yeah, it might sound funny, but I promise you, if you really want to get your Samoa together, you're not going to want to keep speaking broken English. You'll want to know, okay, now that I got this cause phrase and I got an effect phrase and I connected them with ina ia or ina ne'i, how do I say this phrase and how do I say that phrase? If that works for you, try it out. If not, just remember the term in order to or ina ia or ina ne'i connects two phrases that show cause and effect. Also remember that ina ia and ina ne'i can also go at the beginning of a sentence. That's a lesson on connecting phrases.